Good morning, students. Good morning, all of you. Let's start. Today, I will discuss or provide a note about exercise guideline for various stage of development in children. I am repeating the question. Exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. All of you take out your copy and pen. When you become ready, give a note on chat that I am ready. Yes, Jivanangshu, after the question, after the topic, I will discuss the project of previous days. Now take out a copy and pen. Get ready. All of you ready? Okay, now start. The question is exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. Exercise guidelines at different stage of growth and development. This is the question. And now the answer is the stage of growth and development. The stages of growth and development are the stages of growth and development are A. Infancy, 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 bracket lego age 0 to 2 years, 0 to 2 years. B. Early childhood, 2 to 6 years. Middle childhood, 7 to 10 years. Late childhood, 11 and 12 years. Adolescence, 13 to 19 years. Adulthood, 19 to 60 years. Old age, above 60 years. I am repeating the stage. Infancy, 0 to 2 years. Early childhood, 2 to 6 years. Middle childhood, 7 to 10 years. Late childhood, 11 and 12 years. Adolescence, 13 to 19 years. Adulthood, 19 to 60 years. And old age, above 60 years. So these are the stages. Now the exercise guidelines for different stage. First, infancy. In infancy, there are some exercise guidelines like first point, exercise to develop head control and sitting. Exercise to develop head control and sitting. Next point, gross motor activity should be promoted. gross motor activity should be promoted. Next, exercise for moving arms, legs, reaching to the objects. Exercise for moving arms, legs, reaching to the objects. Next point, exercise like throwing, catching, holding, kicking. Exercise like catching, throwing, holding, kicking. Now, stage 2, early childhood. In early childhood, the exercise guidelines are like, in early childhood, the exercise guidelines are like exercise to develop competence in movement skills or complete movement skills. No participation in any competition during this stage. No participation in any competition during this stage. Activities related to the fine motor skills. Activities related to the fine motor skills. Minimum 1 hour regular medium exercises. Minimum 1 hour regular medium exercises. Clean and safe environment should be provided. Clean and safe environment should be provided. Recreative and enjoyable activities should be provided. Recreative and enjoyable activities should be provided. Next, middle childhood, 7 to 10 years. Middle childhood, 7 to 10 years. The exercise guidelines in this stage, are like exercise to develop fine and gross motor skills. Exercise to develop fine and gross motor skills. Next, exercise to build and improve coordination skills. Exercise to build and improve coordination skills. Exercise to develop, next point, exercise to develop, synchronize the movement of body parts. Exercise to develop, synchronize the movements of body parts. Next point, introduction of major sports activities, introduction of major sports activities and social skills and social skills. Next stage, late childhood, 11 to 12 years. The exercise guidelines are in this stage. The exercise guidelines are in this stage, like first point, exercise to develop body control, exercise to develop body control, strength and coordination. Exercise to develop body control, strength and coordination. Next point, activities related to the endurance should be avoided. Activities related to the endurance should be avoided. Next, organize or learn a team game to develop social skills. Organize or learn team game to develop social skills. Next point, teach basic rules of sports. Teach basic rules of sports like fair play, skills, measurements, etc. Next point, introduce the sports training. Introduce the sports training. Next stage, adolescence. Adolescence, 13 to 19 years. The exercise guidelines in this stage are like moderate to vigorous intensity physical activities. Moderate to vigorous intensity physical activities. One hour exercise every day. 1 hour exercise every day. Muscle strength exercise. Muscle strength exercise 3 times in a week. Muscle strength exercise 3 times in a week. Bone strengthening exercise bone strengthening exercise, and resistance exercise by weight training should be provided. Bone strengthening exercise and resistance exercise by weight training should be provided. For stamina building exercise like swimming, running should be provided. For stamina building exercise like swimming, running, etc. should be provided. Now next stage, adulthood, 19 to 60 years. Adulthood, 19 to 60 years. First point, moderate intensity physical activity every day. Moderate intensity physical activity every day. Physical strengthening exercise, or muscle strengthening exercise 2 times in a week. Physical strengthening exercise or muscle strengthening exercise 2 times in a week. Bone strengthening exercise and resistance exercise should be provided for every day. By the weight training. Bone strengthening exercise and resistance exercise should be provided every day by the weight training. And the last point is same, stamina building exercise like swimming, running, etc. should be provided. Now the last stage, old age, 60 years above. First point, at least 5 days in a week moderate intensity exercise should be provided for 1 hour. At least 5 days in a week moderate intensity activities or exercise should be provided for 1 hour. Those, next point, those who are more active, for them high strength activity, combined activity should be provided. Those who are more active, high strength activities, combined activities should be provided. So these are the various exercise guidelines for various development stages. The answer is complete. Anyone left or miss any answer, any points? adolescence first point. Sanjana, adolescent first point, moderate to vigorous intensity physical activity. Late childhood. Early childhood second point. Okay. Jivanangshu, this is late childhood. Exercise, first point, exercise to develop body control, strength and coordination. Next point, activities related to the endurance should be avoided. Next point, organized or learn team game for development of social skills. And the last point, teach basic rules of sports like fair play, measurement, skills, etc. Jyotirmoy, early childhood second point. Early childhood second point is participation in any not to any competition or competition, no competition should be provided in this stage. Middle childhood third point, Rajlakshmi. Exercise to develop, synchronize the movements of body parts. Rajlakshmi, exercise to develop, synchronize the movements of various body parts. Okay. So today your time is over, this much. Next day we will come with another 2 questions from this children and women sports. Till then, goodbye. And Jivanangshu, today we have no time, that's why I can't discuss the last day project. Test syllabus from first and second unit, that means planning in sports and nutrition chapter, first and second unit. Jivanangshu, you are welcome. You are welcome to all. Thank you. Bye.